Hi everyone， 恭喜发财，身体健康，万事顺利。Today, see my dress? This is 唐装。Especially for this occasion, we are going to talk about Li Chun. These few years, a lot of people has been queuing up in the bank to deposit money into the bank for Li Chun. Well, different school of thoughts. For me, I would rather go to the bank teller and withdraw money out, hard cash. Withdraw hard cash out and put it in my house rather than to put the money into the bank. When we hold the cash in our hand, we feel the hard cash. We feel the physical presence of money, just like gold. If you have gold bars, the gold bars are kept in the bank, you cannot touch it anytime you want. Of course, some people might say that, yeah, the bank is under my name. I have a bank account. So whatever amount of money that I deposited in the bank, it belongs to me. True enough. You can withdraw it anytime you want. Of course, it's your money. But where is it placed? It is placed in your bank. Now for Li Chun, your bank has already a lot of money. What's the point of putting more money into the bank? We should actually draw the money out and place it in the ang pao. You can use any ang pao. You can use normal ang pao, red color, gold color, or our Tianlu ang pao. Any kind of ang pao will do. Take the money, withdraw it out from the bank. When to place it into the ang pao and place it at home. You do not have to wait until Li Chun to put the money at home. You can actually place the money into the ang pao one night before Li Chun and keep it at home or inside your office. If you know your wealth spot inside your master bedroom, your office, put the money in the safe deposit box inside your house or inside your office. You do not need to draw a few 100,000. You just need to draw whatever amount you think is comfortable for you. For example, a few $100 or thousands of dollars. Place it inside the ang pao. Do take note when you are putting money inside the ang pao or inside your wallet. It is also good to have money inside your wallet before Li Chun and keep it throughout. Some of us arrange our money in such a manner, upside down, without proper sequence. Actually, before you put the money into the ang pao or wallet, please turn all the money in one direction. This is the proper way to arrange the money and put it into the ang pao or wallet. Once you have done that, place it inside your safe and that's it. You do not have to select auspicious hour, follow the chart whatsoever for Li Chun. One night before Li Chun is good enough so that you can have money throughout Li Chun and also throughout the years. You can keep the ang pao with you until after Lunar 15th day of the Chinese New Year, Yuan Xiao Jie. The next day, according to Chinese customary, 15 days of the Chinese New Year is over. Then you can choose to take the money and place it back into the bank. Or you can choose to keep the money inside your safe. So you can put the money inside the bank after the 15 days of the Lunar New Year. During the good old days, Our parents, grandparents, they keep their money inside the Milo tin or biscuit tin. And sometimes they hide it under the bed, or they hide it at certain places at home. For some countries, they even build underground safe houses to keep all their cash. That's why after many years, they become millionaires. So keeping money at home has been done so for many hundreds of years. So it's more logical to keep the money at home rather than to keep the money in the bank. This is our Tian Lu Ang Pao that we designed last year. What's the usage of this? It is bigger than normal Ang Pao. The bigger the Ang Pao is, the more money you can put inside. That's one of the reasons why. We have also inside 8 small Ang Paos, which is smaller than the main one. It comes within. So the smaller Ang Pao, you can actually put money inside and pass it to your children. The same thing for them to keep for Li Chun, as well as throughout the Lunar New Year. For the big one, you can put your own money inside. The more the merrier. It can store a lot of money, trust me. Take a look. This special design is with the Tian Lu for protection, to enhance wealth for you and your family. If you don't have this Ang Pao, it's okay. Just use a normal Ang Pao. Or you can find some that is slightly bigger. Then you can keep the money inside. Thank you for watching. We shall now proceed to the polishing and pasting of the 2008 $1 coins. Let's go.